Ever pondered how those sparkling gems adorning your favorite pieces of jewelry came into existence? These beautiful treasures embark on an extraordinary journey that begins deep within the earth. Today we are diving into this hidden world to unravel the secrets of gem formation. The process is akin to an intricate recipe. The primary ingredients are minerals, heat, and pressure. Minerals are the primary building blocks of gems. Just like bricks of different colors come together to build a castle, these minerals determine the type of gem that will eventually form. Next, we add in some heat, and we're not talking about a little warmth here. We're talking about levels of heat that would make the sunniest day at the beach seem like a winter morning. Then comes the pressure. Imagine the kind of pressure an elephant would exert on a peanut and you'll have some idea. It's this pressure that binds the minerals together, aiding in the formation of gems. Now, it's time to wait. And we're not talking about waiting a few days or months. We're talking about thousands, even millions of years. Over this time, the heat and pressure work their magic, transforming the minerals into the sparkling gems we all adore. It's important to note that not all gems are created equal. Diamonds, for instance, require extreme heat and pressure to form. Opals, on the other hand, are the result of rainwater interacting with earth over a very long time. And then there are pearls, gems that form within oysters when a grain of sand gets inside and the oyster coats it with layers of beautiful material. These gems remain hidden underground until they are discovered. Miners delve deep into the earth to bring these glittering treasures to the surface. Once these gems have been unearthed, they still have a bit of journeying to do. From being rough stones, they are transformed by skilled gem cutters who shape and polish them until they gleam brightly. Only then are they ready to be incorporated into jewelry pieces. And there you have it, the remarkable journey of a gem, from being formed deep within the earth to becoming a beautiful piece of jewelry. So the next time you admire a gem, remember the amazing adventure it underwent to reach you.